In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and export a video from CapCut to your gallery. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. It really does help us out. That being said, say you're editing a video here on CapCut and you're ready to export it, but directly to your gallery. First, obviously go ahead and pull up that video that you're trying to export, and what you're going to want to do is simply either select the export button if you're good with it exporting in your current settings, or select the Ultra AI HD setting right here to bring up your export settings. From here, you can go ahead and adjust the settings to be however you'd like. You can put it in Smart HDR, you can change the code rate, the optical flow, the frame rate, the resolution, and even AI Ultra HD if you are a CapCut member. But whenever you are ready to go ahead and export it, just simply select this export button and it's going to automatically begin saving to your gallery. That really is all you need to do. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments section below. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.